Okay, properties of shapes practice. So this is just one last section in Khan Academy where they kind of combine a lot of the different information that we have been talking about with shapes. So I've just got 4 problems that we'll go through together kind of as a practice. Okay, they give us this reminder here that all rectangles have 4 right angles and opposite sides that are equal in length, and the opposite sides are parallel. So it's a lot of information to take in, but knowing that, would this be a rectangle? Okay, well, would this be a rectangle? No, because it has no right angles. So, no. Is this a rectangle? Again, no, it has no right angles. Rectangles have to have right angles. There's no, you can't challenge that. Is this a rectangle? Well, it has my 4 right angles. Opposite sides are the same length, so that works. And opposite sides are parallel, so that works there. So yes, this is a rectangle. Okay, let's look at problem number 2. Give 2 names for this figure. So can we give 2 names? Okay, well, when I'm looking at it right now, first of all, I'm going to see that it's got 2 sets of parallel sides, so it's going to be a parallelogram. You may have also said it's got 4 sides, so it's a quadrilateral. Okay, any 4-sided shape is going to be a quadrilateral. This one has 2 sets of parallel sides, so it's a parallelogram. And all 4 sides are equal, but they're not right angles, so this could also be a rhombus. Okay, they only said to give 2, but we went over and above and gave 3 different names for that one. Okay, they give us a factoid here over in the box. All parallelograms have opposite sides that are equal in length and parallel. Okay, so is this a parallelogram based on this definition? Okay, opposite sides that are equal in length and parallel. So are these equal in length? Yes. And are these equal in length? Yes. Okay, and are these parallel and are these parallel? So is that a parallelogram? Yes. Is this a parallelogram? This is not a parallelogram because these are parallel, which is great, but these are not parallel. Okay, and a parallelogram has to have 2 sets of parallel sides. Is this a parallelogram? Well, this is parallel and this is parallel, so it looks like it, and this is the same length as this, and this is the same length as this. So yes, this one is a parallelogram. Don't let the big words over here kind of confuse you. Most of you are probably able to look at these and kind of think through each of the parts that we talked about in that mini lesson. Last problem here. So can you give 2 names for this figure? And we might be able to even give more. Okay, so first, it's a 4-sided shape, so it's going to be a quadrilateral. Then, it's got 2 sets of parallel sides, so it's a parallelogram. And we can even go down one more and say opposite sides are the same length, and there's 4 right angles, so it's a rectangle. So any of those 2 would work. Thank you so much. Nice work.